Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Friends, today I will teach you how can create a official Gmail account. First of all, click your Chrome, open your Chrome and enter here add. Click here add and click sign in and click here create account. And for my personal use, click enter your first name. My name is Srar and enter your last name and enter next. Enter your date of birth, gender, select your gender, male and next and enter your mail. Create your mail and enter two digit 47 and next. Not create this, change and yes and enter your password. First capital letter and enter same password. Enter same password and show your password same and next and enter your phone number and enter your phone number code and next. If you are add your recovery mail, then you skip and next. Agree. Yes, I mean yes. Your mail is created, done. Click here, Gmail. Yes, and your email was successfully created and compose, enter your client mail and start your work. Thanks friend watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.